Vou aterrar por salto, tá? Ok, estou aí para salto. Nice to hold it a bit like this.
Or the fuel is hydrogen, so it doesn't have any batteries on board. It uses a hydrogen fuel cell that powers the onto this browser-based system that the end user can then everybody. So okay, our check's completed.
Yes, exactly. So check the UI of the output. Oh yeah.
So if we try to do curse on target, and then I believe we could move this as well. And press cancel. Target name, beach.
This should be fine because it's sometimes all the same thing. So this is
Right now we are at REPMUS. We are offshore testing our drone. We're trying to find a mine here. We already had a contact, and now we are determining what kind of mine it is, or whether it is not a mine and actually a fish cage or some other object. So it has multiple applications, so both for critical underwater infrastructure, think of cables or pipes. We can map those really closely and make actually a 3D map of that object. So it's really easy to see if someone has sabotaged something, but also it is easy to find and identify mines.
So here is our autonomous airship for persistent aerial surveillance. Our platform has flight time up to 12 hours and the payload is highly configurable, so we can have, for example, EO/IR payloads, different kind of electronic sensors and that sort of thing. Well, this benefits NATO alliance for providing real-time, high-quality data. You have a good situational awareness in the operational area. With different sensor payloads, you can identify all kinds of points of interest and systems of interest.
Diana is a small NATO body, and we exist to expedite innovation into the Alliance. So we take key operational problems that have been identified by the Alliance, and we aim to find solutions in the commercial or dual-use technology space that can solve those key operational problems. Without organizations and frameworks like Diana, it would be very hard for the companies that we have brought to REPMUS to be able to participate in an exercise like this. So we act as the kind of connective tissue between those innovators and these military environments that allow them to test and demonstrate to the end users. By getting these technologies in front of our allied armed forces and also working in collaboration with our allied armed forces to develop prototypes and to increase the maturity of these solutions, we aim to help NATO and its armed forces increase our tactical edge, increase our adoption of innovation in order to contribute to our collective defense.